Hello everyone, welcome to another Python short video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you another data type in Python, which is Boolean value. My name is Chenrui. Let's get started. So far, we have learned three data types in Python, which is a string, integer, and a float. So today, that's the fourth data type we are going to learn in Python, which is Boolean value. As always, to show you how to use Boolean in Python, I'm going to create a new Python script using Vim. And I'm going to call the program boolexample.py. Again, you can use whatever text editor that you would like to use, but I'm going to use Vim as example here. A Boolean value is actually a binary value that only have two possibility value could be assigned to it. So in Python, if you want to define a Boolean, what you need to do is to assign true or false to a variable, then the variable will become a Boolean. For example, here, if I have a variable named Boolean, and if I assign value true to it, then this variable will become a Boolean value. Same thing happens if you assign false to it, because that's only two possibility value to the Boolean. So you can assign either true or false to this variable and it will become a Boolean. So how can we verify that? We were going to use a built-in function in Python called type. So if we use type and then we fill in the Boolean variable inside this type brackets, and if you save it and then we run this file, bool example, then we're going to tell us this Boolean variable belongs to the class bool, which is saying that this variable is actually a Boolean value. So that's how you define a Boolean in Python. Hopefully this makes sense. Thank you for watching and I will see you in next one.